Hello folks, welcome back to another kit review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Trumpeter model kit of H.M.S Dreadnaught. This kit was built surprisingly quickly. I have very mixed feelings about this kit. Some parts of this kit are really good. Other parts are absolutely awful. The bridge, maybe. Yeah, I actually lost some of the parts as well, so that's probably why. Um, this kit is... It is good now, don't get me wrong. It is really more for the more advanced modelers, though. So if you are a beginner... Sorry, hang on. Okay. There we go. Hopefully that's in focus. If you're a more advanced modeler, I'd recommend this. Me, I wouldn't say I'm new, but I'm not really that advanced either. But there is one thing to note about this kit. Now, if you've seen my Humbrol airbrush starter kit review, you might have recalled me saying that I actually used an airbrush, and I used it on this kit. This is the first time I have ever used an airbrush, ever. Now, I made some mistakes. You can see there is some paint running down the seams there. But I was absolutely blown away by the finish. There is no brush marks. It's almost like a miniature battleship. Like, it really... I know that's ironic saying that, but like, it really does look like a real ship. As opposed to my others, where if you look closely, you can see imperfections and brush marks. This is absolutely incredible. I'm astounded at how good this came out. Like I said, there is some mistakes here and there, but I am new to airbrushing, so you can forgive me on that part. In saying that though, some parts of the kit were just really hard to build, mainly this area here. It does come with photo etched parts, so I didn't put any on in mine because I just wanted this kit to be over because it was just too hard to build. But still, I would recommend it to anybody who's more advanced. Me not being advanced, and if you're relatively new to building model kits, I would not recommend you building this one. Oh gosh. I think it turned out relatively well. It'll be nice to have on a shelf. That's really it though. Up far away and on a shelf. But I think it turned out relatively well. It was mainly just a thought experiment, it really was. It's the first time I ever used airbrushing. It took me only a few weeks to build, which is not that long considering how detailed this kit was. As opposed to like my Titanic or Queen Mary kit that took months to build. But all in all, I think it was a fantastic kit, and I would recommend anybody who is an advanced modeler to definitely give this one a go. If you're new to the hobby though, I'd stay away from this one, but that's all I really have to say. This is a fantastic kit for the work and the fun that's in it. And that's all I really have to say. If you like this review, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you in the next review. Take care and goodbye.